Alright, so in this new lecture I would like to start working on the plants. As you can see on the bottom over here we're having 2 trees. I would like to add them.
By the way, this is a tutorial series that's gonna help you make this short film animation based on a real reference, this Japanese tree. Alright, so let's get down to it.
Luckily we're having an add-on called Sapling Gen Tree. Sapling, this one over here, so make sure that it's enabled, and it's gonna give us the ability to create trees almost instantly without the need to model them. Oh man, if you want to model a tree, it's gonna be really challenging thing to do. So over here I'd like to hide everything. Also for these details I'm gonna hit Control Space and let's create a new collection. Let's call it details. Select the first one, shift the bottom one, and let's put them in the details. Gonna hide everything and let's focus only on our trees. So shift A, curve, sapling, tree gen, and we will have this. And I think this one matches perfectly our trees over here. As you can see over here, we don't have any branches. We don't have any leaves. Actually, we have in the branches. So I think I'm gonna keep it just this way. But for the second one, so this is the first tree. So again, I'm gonna create, let's move this one to the side. Let's create a new tree. I'd like to make it look different a little bit to make it look like this. So let's gonna jump over here to the branch growth, and I would like to make this curvature. I would like to play with this curvature a little bit, bend it a little bit like this, so that you can show this aspect to our camera. This one over here. So let's bend it. Yeah, something like 30. I highly recommend that you keep playing with these settings. We have a variety of settings that you can play with. For example, you can change. Let me show you that. You can change the shape of that. Let me 10 flame. You can switch it, and we'll have a variety of shapes. So in my example, let's revert back. I think I lost it. Yeah, this one over here, the 10th flame. Okay, so there we go. So I'm gonna be putting these back. So this one over here, let's put it on the side. Okay, so let's do the same thing. I'm gonna be checking it from here. For our second tree, let's move it to the other side. Maybe spin it on the z-axis by 45 degrees, and let's check. So this one, let's move it to the side over there. I don't like this clipping over here. So we can hit O to enable that proportion editor, and let's move everything out. Nice. Okay, so let me go back. Also over here we're having some clipping over here. I don't want this clipping to show on my final render. It's gonna look weird. Yeah, now we're good. Okay, so let's hit 0 and let's see.